A missile is launched, but this is no ordinary missile. It is traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound. Before the radar can fully track it, before the defense system can calculate it, it is hitting the target. This is the reality of hypersonic missiles, one of the most terrifying military technologies of the 21st century. But the question is, why is it so hard to stop? Today we will understand the matter in the light of science. The speed of sound is called Mach 1. Mach 2 means twice the speed of sound. Mach 5 means 5 times the speed of sound. If any object moves at a speed of Mach 5 or more, it is hypersonic. It can fly in the sky at 6,000 to 15,000 kilometers per hour. Russia, China, United States, this technology is far ahead in the development. Ordinary ballistic missiles rise into space and land on a specific path. This path can be predicted. The defense system launches interceptors accordingly. But hypersonic missiles, it moves so fast that the defense forces have very little time to react. Suppose it is launched from a distance of 1000 kilometers, it can hit in less than 10 minutes. In this short time, identification, trajectory analysis, launching of interceptors missiles, everything has to be done. A second of delay means failure. This is the biggest problem. Ballistic missiles usually follow a fixed path, but hypersonic glide vehicles can change direction midway. After launch, it re-enters the atmosphere, glides at hypersonic speed, turns midway. As a result, a radar system cannot easily predict where it will hit. Ballistic missiles climbs very high, but hypersonic glide vehicles fly at a relatively low altitude in the atmosphere. Due to the curvature of the earth, ground-based radar cannot easily see low-lying objects. For this, detection is delayed. By the time the radar can catch up, the missile is very close. Now let's get to the cool part of science. When traveling through the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, air molecules are under tremendous pressure. Temperatures reach thousands of degrees Celsius. A plasma layer forms around the missile. This plasma can jam radar signals, can make tracking less accurate, can disrupt communications. In the other words, it is not just fast, it can also hide itself. Not completely unstoppable. Currently under development, space-based sensor, AI-powered tracking systems, faster interceptors, laser weapons. A new technological race is now underway in the world. Hypersonic missiles are not just about speed. They are changing the nature of war. Extremely fast, capable of swift flight change of direction, low altitude flight, plasma covered. The question is, if the reaction time is only a few seconds, what will future warfare be like? That was today's analysis. If you want to know in-depth analysis of future technology and military science, then stay tuned to Science Verse Insight.